Hello, and welcome to EduMedia YouTube channel, the most preferred channel for credible, accurate, and educative information. Well, in today's video, we're going to look at how to check WASSCE 2022 examination results. Now, before we even start, this is just a short video to introduce to you how we can check this result on our mobile phone. So you don't need to go to a cafe, you don't need to pay anybody else to do it. You can just take your phone, Apple phone or Android phone, just take it and then follow what I'm doing. Now, before we start, I want to remind you that before going to the website, you have to make sure that you already have your result checker or the scratch card. Moreover, know your date of birth and then also your index number. These are the three most important details that you need before you go to the website. So before you go, you need to have your result checker or the scratch card. The scratch card, you can get it probably at the post office. You can go to the post office around your area, ask them if they have the scratch card. Probably they should have it, and then you buy the scratch card from them that you can use. The scratch card contains the serial number and then the PIN. Or you can ask the cafes also if they have one that they can sell to you. Well, if you are probably lazy as I am, and then you just want to do all this from the comfort of your room, there's a short code for that: *800 *2#. When you dial this short code, you follow the prompt, and then you'll be able to buy the scratch card right from your room, and then you could proceed to check your result. So make sure you have these things sorted out before you go to the website to check your result. Alright, so now let's move to the most important part of this video. That is where we're going to check the result. It doesn't matter the type of browser you use on your phone. It can be a Mozilla Firefox, a Google Chrome, Safari, any type of browser that you use. You can do this. You can just follow along with me. Now on the browser, you go and then you type in the address ghana.waec.direct.org. Now when you type this address, you submit it, and when you submit it, this is what appears on your phone. Now on the screen of your phone, you have the West African Examination Council web page open. This is the result checker page. Now let me zoom in this side so that you can see it clearly. Yes, so this is our focus area. This is where we want to pay attention to. So this is where we have to put in our details. Now, as I said earlier, you need to have your index number, you need to have your date of birth set, and then you also need to have your scratch card. So when you come, the first thing you need to put in is your index number. So your index number will be put in here, and then type in your index number here. Now after typing in your index number, the next thing you want to do is to select your examination. All right, so you click here and then you select the type of examination that you've written. Now if you've written yours in the school, probably you started from Form 1 all through to Form 3, and then you wrote your examination, definitely that is the school one. And then those who have sat for the NOBDEC, November December examination, that is the private. So since we are going for the school one, the one we sat in the school, you select school, WASSCE school. After that, the next thing you need to select now is the year that you wrote your examination. So probably you are in to check for your 2022 examination. You click on that and then you select 2022. So after the examination year, the next thing you need to do now is to put in the date of birth. So you put in the day you were born, select the day you were born, and then you select the month in which you were born, and then the year you were born, you select that also here. All right, so after that, then you move to the next one. Now remember that the date of birth that you're going to put in here should be the same date of birth that you submitted to your school for onward submission to WASSCE. So make sure that it's the same. Don't put in a different date of birth here, otherwise you have issues. So after this side, then you now move into the voucher serial number. The voucher serial number is the serial number that you have on your scratch card. All right, so you have the serial number and then the PIN, and these two items are located on your scratch card, the one that you buy from the post office or from the cafe. So this is what you put here. Now after all this, the next thing is to confirm your details. So you're going to put in your index number again. All right, so the index number, you put in your index number here, and then you select the examination year as well. So the exam year, come here and then select it again, 2022. And then after you are done with this, then you finish filling. Make sure you finish filling each of these columns. They are all compulsory, they are mandatory. After filling this, then you click on submit. All right, the submit button is here. After clicking on submit, the examination result or the page will be shown to you, where you see your name and then your photograph on the slip, on the result slip, and then your grades also follow below that. Okay, so this is all that I have for you in this particular video. As I said, this is a quick video. Make sure you share this to your colleagues. Let them know that the result is out. The 2022 WASSCE examination result is officially out. And then you can go in, select it. You can see that when I check in the examination year 2022 is already there, which means that yes, the examination results are released. Go in, check the result, and make sure that you follow the right procedure in checking the examination. You don't need to go to the cafe, or you don't need to pay anybody else to do this for you. Go in, check your own result, and then like this video, share it, and we'll see you in our next video.